Hello, I'm Paule Capo, and welcome to this episode of Fire Engineering's Training Minutes. In this episode, we're going to conclude our firefighter drags, and then we're going to put it all together with our drag gauntlet. This next drag we're going to do is a rope-assisted drag. This works really well when in confined spaces or when you're by yourself. You see, by taking the rope and putting the end of the rope attached to your downed firefighter, we do not increase any efficiency. But by taking the end of your rope and putting it around a substantial object in the direction of travel, and by placing your rope through a carabiner, you create a 2-to-1. So Eric realizes that he does not have a substantial object where he's going, so he's using himself as that substantial object. Now he is placing his carabiner on the shoulder strap of the downed firefighter and placing his rope through it. This creates a 2-to-1 mechanical advantage. Now he has 40 feet of rope in his pocket, so he could pull this downed firefighter 20 feet at a time. Now Eric will proceed 20 feet again if needed and pull unlimited feet until members of the rapid intervention team can come and assist him. This last firefighter removal technique we're going to show is going to be a lift and carry as opposed to a drag. This is going to be called the pike pole lift or the roof hook lift. So Eric's going to take a roof hook and he's going to place it through the shoulder strap. It does not matter if it goes inside to out or outside to in. He's also going to feed it through the waist strap, and they're going to push it down. It works best if you do both hooks on the high side. So instead of trying to fight the low side of this firefighter, Eric is going to flip this firefighter so it's a high side. Now Grant puts the hook through the shoulder strap and again through the waistband of the SCBA. Now the firefighter at the feet will place both feet on the outside of the hooks. And now this firefighter is going to say the command. When we say commands, we're going to use 2-word commands. The first one's actually a question, and it's going to be ready, and then the second one's going to be go.
Ready? Go.
Now we will proceed and walk with our downed firefighter. Now we're going to put all the drags together in our drag gauntlet. In our training, the drag gauntlet is a timed event so teams can compete against each other. But not so much focus on the time, we're definitely going to focus on proper technique to avoid any injury. So now let's watch the brothers perform the drag gauntlet. You just watched the Firefighter Gauntlet, where we put all our drags and in an environment where the drags are not applicable are lift and carry into one practical evolution. I'd like to thank St. Petersburg College Fire Training Center, and thank you for watching another episode of Fire Engineering's Training Minutes.